So after a little bit of driving and not recording anything, I picked up a hobo on the side of the road on the way to the airport, and I'm not exactly sure who he is, but hey, maybe he can help me work on my car. Who knows? Where is he? Is this the content you wanted?
This is content I wanted, yeah.
Now just think of that, but the whole fender.
Oh, accidentally scratched it.
Sorry. Oh, you scratched the paint? Oh God, like, aw. So we got the fender off?
Spot ready?
Yep.
Cut.
Oh, I think we gotta take the front bumper off.
Oh no!
No!
Losing it.
Oh, wait, this is still connecting. We're gonna unplug the headlight.
I think we need to...
We're gonna do that completely.
Oh, wait a second.
You just gotta take out the screw. I don't know where a screwdriver is. Look at the great mess I have. Oh, I do know where a screwdriver is. Perfect.
How much longer is until it's ready to crank over?
July.
July.
For some reason. I don't know why it's going to be ready in July, but it's supposed to be ready in July. We're going to SEMA.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Can you read the comments? Yeah, we are. We're busy. We're getting there.
No, I'm illiterate. I'm going to put my camera over here. So we're back with technically day one or day two, however way you want to look at it, of working and doing the body work on the car. Yesterday we took off the front bumper and the fenders, and today we're starting to work on the driver's side rear quarter panel, which had a ton of Bondo on it, and Oliver's starting to take that off with a chisel. Is this the content you wanted?
This is content I wanted, yeah.
Now just think of that, but the whole fender.
Oh, accidentally scratched it. Sorry.
Oh, you scratched the paint? Oh God, like, aw.
I mean, on my car, I have a 69 Corvair and a lot of typical rust there. What we're thinking here is we're either, if we can't get a quarter panel in, we'll probably cut this out and weld in a patch panel. Because it's, I mean, there's a curve, but it's still relatively flat, so replacing this is going to be pretty easy. That's an option, but it's just going to be a lot of work. So, but yeah, it's just deciding on what to start on first.
And then the front driver's side, the driver's side front fender is kind of messed up, so we got a replacement. But that one is not very flat either. But you can't find replacements for these. And here's the passenger side, and we beat it out a little bit yesterday, and the dent's mostly gone, but it looks a lot better than this dent over here, or this dented up fender over here. But they don't make replacement fenders for this car at all, so I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna do.
Just cut. It's still pretty hot, but this is the quarter panel, and obviously we still need a lot of work to do. Right here is about our line, but I really wanted to remeasure it, so I gave us a ton of leeway, even though this is the worst area. And then I just zipped this off to get it out of the way, because there's a ton of pinch welds underneath, so someone's going to have to individually drill every single one of these out in there, and then theoretically you could easily just take the panel off.
Wait, is that a
that is a
candy.
crunch.
That is a crunch bar that was in the inner fender.
Yeah.
That's pretty new.
Yeah. So that And then, yeah, but here's the piece that we got.
Shout out to William at High Octane Restorations for coming through with a fender when everybody else was 4 or 5 days out.
Yeah. So here's our plan. It has this lip here, so we are going to put the lip underneath here. We'll probably end up putting some seam seal in there too, and then individually drilling our own spot welds. So that's kind of what we're thinking there. Yeah, that's about it. Just a lot of cutting and drilling and stuff like that.
And then the car sat for months until a subframe came in, and that changed everything. So watch out for part 2 later this week, and you will see a lot of progress done on the car. And if you want to see more progress and more videos, and if you have a shorter attention span, go follow my TikTok, LewisGarage, if you aren't already.